The Mini Band Deadlift is an exercise for developing the gluteus muscles in your butt as well as the hamstrings in the back of your thighs. This exercise is great for learning the technique of the hip hinge, which is the foundational movement for exercises like the deadlift with weights and good mornings. I like to use it as a priming exercise during my warm-ups on the days that I practice deadlifts. For this exercise, you'll need a loop resistance band. See the recommended link in the description below. Begin standing and wrap one end of the resistance band around your feet just below your midfoot. Grab the other end of the band in both hands and stand up straight. Push your chest forward and keep your shoulders down away from your ears throughout this exercise. To begin, perform a hip hinge by pushing your hips back behind you, keeping your knees soft and your spine neutral. Push your hips back until your hamstrings feel tight in the back of your legs. Then engage your glutes by squeezing your butt and bring your hips back forward to the starting position. As you push your hips back, your hands should travel in a straight line down and up in front of your legs. Avoid allowing your hands or knees to come forward, and instead focus on moving your hips back and forth. One time pushing your hips back and forward to the starting position is 1 repetition. Perform this exercise for the recommended number of repetitions in your training program. Make sure to like this video and subscribe for more trainer tips and exercise tutorials.